Enjoy. 2, 3. Okay, now you attack. You defend. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she got you on both! And the winner is Illinois, everybody! Shots are Illinois. Here is a free card event tomorrow. Now make sure you are loud enough with your clue cards. It may say talk to a specific person, but it also says be loud.
I'm working. We're about to have a stormy and it's over here by well, I always have to say her brother by best friend.
Did the information say that they could have missed?
Alright, when you're done with your card, I will take it.
Mika? What was your name? Thank you.
Thank you, new boy. Says Cobra hired him because Jenna was making business with James, and Cobra did not